This is a review of the JUQITECH Magic Keyboard for iPad 11th generation and for 10th generation that comes with a multi-touch trackpad keyboard and an LED display as well too that I'm going to be doing a unboxing and a review on. And in this unboxing review, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package, and from there we are also going to test this product out to see whether or not if this magic LED keyboard is worth it. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so we got everything out of the package, and I do want to say that this iPad case cover is for your 10th and 11th generation iPad, and I do want to say that it's absolutely beautiful and high quality finish. You can see here it's a black matte finish up front, and then you can see here this is where the camera lens go, and then right coming from here, you pretty much have to pull it up. And then right here, you can see it comes with a built-in keyboard. And the keyboard, you pretty much have to get your 10th and 11th generation iPad, program it to your Bluetooth, and then it will just automatically connect. From here, you can start typing, even as a mouse, pretty much the mouse as well too, to pretty much scroll and pretty much go up and down, or to click. So you could pretty much transform your iPad into a computer, like pretty much like a laptop essentially, and it looks really high quality. I love how the finishes, the matte satin finish it has even on the keyboard as well too. It also comes with a pair of instruction manual guides to see if you're if you get stuck on something. And then right over here is a USB charger for your for your keyboard to charge it up if the keyboard battery life goes down. You pretty much use this to charge up the keyboard itself. But overall, the quality of this iPad 10th and 11th generation the case itself is really high quality, and I love how the finish is. It feels super soft and smooth, and pretty much from there it also closes up just like that, like pretty much like a book. And yeah, if you're looking for a iPad case cover for your 10th and 11th generation iPad, then this one is probably one of the best ones that you could get.